Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I'm going to talk about two very different tools that are super useful. This is a multi-tool, an oscillating battery-powered multi-tool from Milwaukee. Now, the beauty behind these multi-tools is they have many different blades that you can put on the face of it, and you can cut wood, masonry, tile. It's a great tool for removing grout. This particular one by Milwaukee has a speed setting here based on the vibration of the blade, typically 10,000 revolutions per minute, which is amazing. And on this one, it has a soft start. So when I turn it on, that soft start is kind of a really nice feature, because if you're doing a detail cut where you need to really kind of position yourself in there to get it right, it kind of eases you in. And battery powered, part of their M18 battery system. This is a DeWalt battery powered angle grinder. Now when you hit this thing, you feel the power in this tool. Depending on the type of blade you put on the end, the disc, you can cut metal, you can grind masonry. It's great for tuck pointing, any kind of metal work, and it's lightweight and powerful. This uses their 20-volt max battery system as well. So if you're looking for two very specific tools, these are the ones you should consider. Coming up next, my video on 3 ways to use an angle grinder.